Yeah, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the forms and sections in Swift UI. So we have a instead of Swift UI, we have a forms. So we can use it to validate and get inputs and all those things. We can perform all the actions in the Swift UI. So we have this is our bottom navigation view. So we are going not going to use it over here, but I'm going to create one new file. Sorry, I'm going to create one new shift file. Okay, shift UI file. Okay, so here I'll just add like what is that, home, right? Home view. Okay, so I just created a home view. Where is it? Okay, so this is a home view, so I'm just going to add a preview. Just copy this preview and I'm just going to paste it over here because this preview won't work. So I'm just changing the name. Okay, so preview is done. Only thing, I am going to call this one in this home place. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, so this is done. So let's start at creating. So this is run, it is working, you can see it over here. So let's start at creating by this one. Okay, so first of all, form is like a form control in Shift. So we can use that form control for we can use those text toggle picker and stepper validations, and we can style custom styles in forms. Okay, so these are the things we can use inside the form. So default, these are the default things. So they will have everything. We are just going to see how we can work over there. Okay, so let's see how we can work over there. So I'm going to use like a normal user form. So I'll just create few state classes. Okay, state, where first name. Okay, okay, first name, then last name, then email, then password. So we'll create some, I'll show you the secure fields also. We have a secure for passwords, confirm password. Okay, so then I'll just show you the ages also, age, and we'll show some alert if it is error. Okay, show alert. So this one is bool. Okay, so show alert false. No, so for ages we need to validate something. So I'll just create a range for the age option. Age range is equal to array. So we are going to take from 18 to 100. Okay, so this is our age range. Okay, so in this inside body we are going to create the forms. Okay, so first I'll create a navigation view. Inside navigation view I'll just add the forms. Okay, so in this form, inside form, we have a features like sessions. We can add each session based, we can split the form. Okay, so this is the form. So in the form we can, I'm going to split session. What is it? Not session, section. Okay, section. Okay, so each section we can give a header actually. So okay, if it is a section we can give header. Okay, header. So header name, maybe header should be like, you can give text like user detail. Okay, so I think we don't need this one. Okay, let's check. I think, yeah, it's good. Okay, so text, what is it? Okay, yeah, the error went. So this is the process. So we have added the section header. So you can see it here, user header. We can see the section header. Okay, so inside section header we are going to add text fields. Okay, So for first section I'm going to add like user details, right, and text to text field, text fields. So we can add text fields in two kind of way. I'll show you the another way. So text field, this is first name, okay, first name comma text is equal to the binding property is first name. Okay, so this is the first name. Second, you can add, if you press command shift L means you will get this option. So from here, text field, you can take the text field and you can drag and drop. Okay, so not only text field, you can do like all the properties. Last name, the value should be last name. Oh, sorry. Okay. So here, if you put dollar symbol and if we put a state variable means it will be a two-way binding. So if we don't want a two-way binding means we can directly use the this one. So this is a text field, right? So it will be a two-way binding where user, we can get the input and we can set the input. So for that we have to do things. So if we want to only show the output means we don't want to put for text field or something, we don't want to show it like this. Okay, so this is one section. So I'm going to add another one section. Okay, section. So in this section header, I'm going to give header like, okay, this one is information. Okay, wait, it's like, okay, so information, then we'll inside that. So inside that I'm going to get okay, user information or account information. Okay, so in this account I'm going to get the text fields. Okay, so the same text field like email. Okay, here I'm going to get email. Okay, so email, first is email. So for email we are going to add the specific specific things like, so we can add keyboard type. So keyboard type, normally usually it is a default one, but we can change it. Like we have a lot of keyboard types, number keyboard, numeric keyboard, namepad keyboard, so website search. So these are all decimal pad. Okay, so these are all decimal pad, different type of keyboard type, which means when we are clicking this one, the keyboard will available only with those options. Okay, so this is email keyboard means it will show the art and google.com as a priority based one. Okay, so then I'm going to capitalized. Okay, capitalized also we can do like sentence based capsulation, word based capsulation. It's not only for this text field, any text field you can do, and mostly all those things. So I'm going to do none because email address is always small letter. Okay, there is no caps. Then for password we need to have a secure field. So in one option called is secure field. Okay, so we have one option, secure field. In the secured field we are going to add password. In the binding field we are going to add password. Okay, so the prompt should be, we don't need any prompt actually. Okay, so we'll just add this one. Okay, so then confirm password also same password, confirm password. Okay, so we this is a, you can see the preview, right? So in the preview it is updating each things. Okay, so you can okay, I think, I don't know you guys can see the output or not. In my mobile I can try, I am typing, so it is working. So let's see here, I can do, okay, it's not possible. Let's run and check in the final stage. Okay, so I'm just, this is the section 2 and section 3, like we need to get the age, right? So I'm going to another one section, this section header text. So in this text is like age, so we are going to get only age. So okay, we'll do like personal details. Okay, personal data. Okay, so in here we are going to use a picker. So picker is kind of drop down, so we can we can click and we can select the option. So it is like a numeric option, so we will do like that, pick picker. Okay, so inside picker we have to give select age. Okay, then selection. In the selection we need to give, once selected the data need to go right, so there is age. Okay, so inside here we are going to give the options of the range. Okay, so you can give anything. If it is a string field means you can give string field also. Now we are going to do right, so we gave age range, right? So age range id. Okay, so here slash dot self. Okay, here okay, so here we are going to give $0. Okay, dot tag $0. Okay, so this is a text. We have which one they are selecting, we are going to show it over here, so you can see it here, right? So this is the text. Only 18 to 100 it will be visible, because we gave the range up to 18 to 100. Okay, so once the 18 to 100 is done, whatever we are selecting it will show over here. Okay, okay, that's why the age is processing. Okay, then $0 is done. Okay, the pickup. So this is a third section. The fourth section should be submit form. Okay, okay, section. So this section we don't want any header, so I'm going to add a button. So inside button action will be there. Okay, action will have it, and this one we don't need. Okay, okay, inside that, inside content I'm going to add text. Okay, submit. Okay, dot frame should be max with this infinity, alignment dot center. Okay, these are all normal things. Okay, I'm just adding small padding, then background color dot blue. Okay, white, corner radius 10.0. Okay, so we can do like, so this is the button we added already. Okay, so we can do like this is our text. So without this, if there is no this styling means it will show like before, only the foreground is blue. Now it is like this one. Okay, so that doesn't look like button, so it is look like quite normal button. Okay, so in after this button we can do alert. Okay, alert, the presenter is like dollar show alert. Okay, show alert. In the content we are going to add real alert. Okay, real alert. This will be, title will be there, title message. So title should be, okay, invalid input, message. So message should be, okay, message should be, we have a validation message actually, so we have to we need to show some message. Okay, for now I'm just showing double quotation. We will, okay, dismiss button is equal to, we can find it over here, default or cancel. Okay, default. Okay, so in this default I'm going to add, you can directly take it or text. Okay, okay, so if it is an error, the thing is we need to we need to give the validations and we need to get these actions, right? So for that I'm going to create two functions now. Okay, so I'm going to create two functions. First we'll create a submit function, private form. Okay, then private will create where Mission message string. Okay, so I'm just creating it. If first name dot is empty, if it is empty, return. Okay, record. Okay, so the same thing for mostly everything. Last name, email. Okay, email. Okay, then so for email we can do like pattern validation. So the same place we can do it. So if when you are doing that, you can do it the pattern validation. Then confirm password is equal to no. Okay, password is equal to confirm password. It should be do not password do not match. Okay, so then finally return empty. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is, so if validation message dot is empty, else show alert is equal to true. Okay, so validation message is empty means I will process the saving operations or whatever operation we are going to process, otherwise we are going to do here. Okay, so this is fine. So then what we can need to do it here, right? So action is equal to we can remove this one. We can do like submit form. Okay, so on submitted form here in the text validate message. Okay, so validate message we are going to do. Okay, it's correct. So let's run and check what we can do with. Okay, so the application runs actually. So this is actually running. So the issue, the small issue we have, so when we are using the navigation view inside a tab view, so we have to mention the stack, right? So stack. Okay, so the navigation view style we need to mention, so which navigation view style we are using. So this is a stack navigation view I just mentioned. Okay, so now we can see the things. So first name we can enter, okay, last name, email. So you can see here this text box and this text box have different items. Okay, so it is having a @it.com like that. Okay, gmail. Okay, so password, so you can see it over here. Okay, I'll just give one. Okay, the same thing you can do it here. Okay, so now we can select the age. Okay, then if we submit, input password do not match. Actually password it didn't match. No, password is matching, but we gave the condition is wrong. Okay, so based on because of our condition that is giving wrong. And one, so this is how the form will work. So when we are if I submit again and when we are checking, it should work. Okay, and I'm submitting. So now it didn't give any errors. Okay, so otherwise if we have any empty items means it will give an invalid form error. Okay, that's how we did it. Okay, I'm submitting, so it is giving in enter name is invalid. Okay, so this is how the form will work in Swift UI. So you can use it in various places when you have users. So we'll check in depthly how to style this form based on our need and how we can change the colors, all those things we can do it in our things. Okay, so stay tuned for new videos. Thank you.